Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show how to change the light bulb on the bottom of this microwave. This is a Whirlpool microwave. The model number on this microwave is WMH31017HS-2. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And also make sure that your microwave is unplugged, which I already have this microwave unplugged. Here's kind of a closer look at the cover there. The light bulb is behind that. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew this screw. I'm just going to hold the cover just as I do this, just to make sure that it doesn't, I don't want it to drop. So let's see here. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see too. Okay, and I also don't want to lose this screw. I don't want it to go behind the stove. Oh, there, see, it just kind of fell out. That would have sucked if it would have went behind the stove. And then the cover just kind of... Okay. The cover, okay, cool. The cover has like a hinge on it. So you still got to be careful because it can fall out. But it did have a hinge there, or like a piece to kind of help when I was removing this. But I would still be really cautious not to drop this. Okay, so I'm going to turn this one this direction, this light bulb. I'm just being gentle and just slowly turning it until I can take the light bulb out. And also, you want to be careful not to drop this behind the microwave. But here's what this light bulb looks like. And there is where the light bulb is going to go back in. And I just turned it till it was secured into place. Looking at it from this angle, I was turning the light bulb this direction. Just making sure that's secured into place. Putting the hinge part back there, like that. And then fitting this into place. And then going to be really careful to not lose this screw. And then I'm just tightening that screw back down until it's secured back into place. Okay, and then when you are all done installing the light bulb and replacing the cover and done working on the microwave, don't forget to plug your microwave back in. I'm going to plug mine back in now. I'll be right back. Okay, so I plugged our microwave back in, and then I also got the time set on our microwave. And I do have a video where I show how to set the time on this microwave, and if that's something that you want to learn how to do, I will link that video at the end of this one. So I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.